Thank you. In 1991, the first White Ribbon campaign was launched by a group of men in Canada after the brutal mass shooting of 14 female students at the University of Montreal, asking men to sign a pledge never to commit, condone or remain silent about violence against women. In 1996, that was adopted in South Africa, and in 1998, Womankind launched the first White Ribbon Day in the UK. In 1991, the UN officially recognised the 25th of November as International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women, and the White Ribbon is now a symbol of hope for a world where women and girls can live free from the fear of violence. And wearing that white ribbon is about challenging the acceptability of that violence. Since then, the White Ribbon campaign has been adopted by all parts of the UK, and Wales has played a significant part in spreading that message and also joining the worldwide movement that seeks to improve the lot of women who do experience violence against themselves, but also in hope of reducing the numbers who do.
Thank you very much.